So this is my 2016 F150 2.7 liter V6 Ecoboost. I did a Magnaflow knockoff Summit muffler about 3 years ago and roughly 60,000 miles ago, and I just did a resonator delete on the truck because the resonator, well, it has weep holes in it, and it was leaking pretty badly out the weep holes, so I think it was might have been rotting out internally, I don't know. But I did a delete. Basically, I took a 3-inch pipe, welded it in from the front flange to the back flange where it goes into the flex joint. This is what it sounds like. Much more throaty than it was before with the 3-inch pipe in there. I really like the sound of it. The rest of the exhaust basically from the flex joint back is all factory parts. The only thing I might still change is cut out the factory flex pipe because it's 2.5 inch and put in a 3-inch flex pipe, basically from the mid pipe all the way to the tailpipe right before the muffler, just to get rid of that 2.5 inch flex pipe that's in the middle.